Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons on Mac. This popular online role-playing game, inspired by the beloved How to Train Your Dragon franchise, lets you train your very own dragon and embark on exciting adventures. While primarily designed for other platforms, with a few straightforward steps, you can enjoy this fantastic world right on your Apple computer. Let's dive into the details to get you started on your dragon training journey. Before you begin, it's important to check your Mac system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. You'll want to make sure your computer has enough memory and processing power. Once confirmed, head over to the official School of Dragons website to download the game client. Always use the official source to avoid any potential issues. A strong and reliable internet connection will also be key for both the download and your gameplay. After downloading, find the installer file, which is typically in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to begin the installation process. The on-screen prompts are very straightforward, guiding you through each step. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game. You'll then have the option to create a brand new account to start your adventure or simply log in if you already have one. It's that easy to get set up. Should you run into any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to check for game updates or, if necessary, reinstall the client entirely. For better performance, experiment with the in-game graphics settings. Sometimes lowering them slightly can make a big difference. Also, always ensure your Mac's operating system is up to date, as this often resolves compatibility problems. These simple steps will help you enjoy a seamless dragon training experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.